Hi, welcome to Yarn Again. My name is Teresa. I wanted to share with you some fabulous yarn I got at Fabulous Yarn. This is lace weight yarn. I am pushing my limits probably, but I wanted to try to make a shawl out of some of this. It's all Malabrigo lace weight. This is that number 66 is the color for this one. It's a nice purple. Beautiful. Then we have two of these. I only got one of those. Then we have two of these. They all have the same amount on them, which is 470 yards, 50 grams. Hand wash, dry flat, all baby merino wool. This is the violets. And I have another one of those. They're the same color, but you can see differences in them, like the dark here, which I thought would be really nice on a dainty shawl or something. I'm still trying to find what I want to do with them, but they were so soft and so beautiful, I just couldn't leave them on the shelf. That would have been unfair to them. They're so pretty. This one is Velvet Grapes. A nice glass of wine right there. Again, lace weight, 470 yards. All the stats are the same. And they are all so soft. And then we have, I hope you could see the shades of the this is called periwinkle. I hope you could see all the different shades in here. I don't know if it's turning up on the camera or not. This one I thought might go with the purple. I'm thinking. I'm not normally one that picks out my colors. I like a kit because I don't have to think so hard. This one is beautiful blues. I don't think that would go together. Periwinkle and the blue. And it is oceans. I can see that. That is so pretty. Then we have this one. It is not the same as the other ones. You see quite a difference when you put them together on the colors. This would go together. I think those two would go together. That's why I was thinking of a shawl or something. I've got to find a nice pattern that says, use the Malabrino lace. Use the lace. That's what I'm waiting for. This is Wales Road. Again, a lace. I don't usually work with a lace. I've worked with the two and I didn't find it that difficult, so. And then we have two of these. Wait, no, I have one of these. Got all these beautiful colors. The pinks and the fuchsias and the reds and the green and the blue. There's more green. Working this up. Oh, look at those purples. Working this up is going to be something to see how they land. Let's see if that would go with that. Yep, those two go together. I like that. Then we have, I have a total of 10. Then we have this one. See those purples again? This one looks like it's bigger, but it's not. This is a lace weight as well. There's that red blend we just saw in the other one. There's the blues. I tried to get something that had a little bit of all of them in there, so if I decided I needed a little bit more, I could get them to match closer. See the lace weight. This is anniversarial. And it's got the pinks and the blues. I don't see the greens. I don't see any greens. Oh, well, there we go. Look, there's some green right there. And the blues. So I didn't know if those two, yeah, see those two go together. Are they both the same? No. Anniversary. These are both the same. I thought this one was the same, but no. They're on a purple blanket, so I got a little confused. Sorry about that. That's why they go so well together. But we could throw this light one in there, and it sort of works. But if we throw this one in there, that works better. I'm trying Kingstop. I'm trying to make... Really? What do you want to say to the people? Are you done? Stop it. Good boy. Thank you. Did you just wake up? You're a good boy. Okay, I gotta get back to the yarn. Okay. Then we have the other one sleeping right there. And that's more yarn. And the dogfish. Sorry about that. Then we have this one, which is Chameleon. Again, it is lace weight, 470 yards. Look at this. I want to open it just to see how it falls on the, when it's not knotted up here like this, but I know I wouldn't get it back. And I'm not going to use any of this yarn until I find the thing that says that's what the yarn was meant for. I think we all can understand that. I never thought I would understand that. I thought, oh, you just get yarn and you just do the yarn, right? No, I get it. I get it now. So this looks good. This I could probably, it's a chameleon, right? You could put it with anything, but look at that blue right there. Maybe if I go back, which I'm probably not going to go back right away, I get another chameleon. It says purple match. Look at that. That works. Then I would have to figure out how to layer them. What would you do if you had some of these fingerling yarns? Do you work with fingerling yarn? I mean, sorry, these are lace yarns. I apologize. What would you make with lace yarns? Have you ever worked with lace yarns before? I've seen a lady, she did granny squares with lace yarns and then put it together and made a shawl. Or a scarf. They were really small granny squares. So those are a lot of ends to tie in. So I don't want to do that. But I am seriously thinking of a wrap because I've done 2 triangle shawls. And I want to try a wrap. That's rectangle. So I thought I might do that. I've been on Ravelry to see... Those go together. I've been on Ravelry to see what I could find that I liked in a shawl. I found a peacock one. Has anybody ever done the peacock feather shawl or any kind of peacock feather item? I've also found the pineapple. They have the doily and then they have the shawl that has the pineapple on it. I am just getting out of my comfort zone of granny squares and I'm doing blankets. I still haven't gotten the confidence up to keep going on my Sophie's blanket. I made a mistake once and I was like, okay, let's pull it out. Yeah, I gotta get back to it, but I was wondering what you would do with lace yarns. Do you work with them? I know I've said that already, but I'm really curious if you've ever worked with them. And if you have, what did you make? If you don't mind saying, because then maybe that'll help me. And where could I find the pattern to get so I could make that item? And because I'm always worried about how do I layer my items. Like, see these 3 purples. Like, I would not put this purple with these 3 purples, but it does brighten it up. So do you do this one first, then this one, and then this one? Or do you just, like, piece it together and then cut the carryover or cut and tie it in and stuff like that. So that's where I get stuck. So I really don't like tying in ends, but I'm getting better with it. I'm getting more patient. But I'm stuck. I know I want to make a shawl or a wrap, something wearable. And these are all 470 yards, so I have enough to make a few things. But I didn't want it like just a piece of string kind of lace, you know? I hope you understand what I mean. I wanted it to be more of a pattern, not just like chain stitches in the shawl. I've seen a couple of those, didn't like those. Okay, I'm babbling. I'll let you go. Thank you again for coming by. Yarn again. These go nice. I just love the yarn. I can't stop looking at them. I do appreciate you coming by. If you've enjoyed my babbling, please leave a thumbs up. If you enjoyed King saying hi, please leave a thumb up for him. He's a great dog. He's just noisy the minute I turn the camera on, and the other one is usually doing something. So I apologize for that. I apologize for my babbling, and I look forward to seeing you again. Have a great day.